Welcome to my second video of modals. Hope you have understood the first video. In the first video of modals, I have discussed about can, could, will, would. Now this video deals with the rest modals. So let us see what are they. Okay. Let us just brush up our knowledge. Which words are used as modal verbs? Can, could, may, might, will, would, must, shall, should, ought to. One more is there, need. So we will discuss about the remaining modals like shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, need, etc. So let us start with shall. We know shall is used for the future tense. So now we will see what are the use of shall. Shall can be used in the following ways. To make offers using I and we. We should keep in mind that generally shall is used with the first person I or we. Example, shall I make some lunch? It is suggesting the offer. Next, to make suggestions, again using I or we. Shall we go to the park later? To make a promise, I shall never forget the help you gave me. To describe the future very formally, we shall overcome this difficult moment. Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. Means here we are confused, we are not sure. For some possibilities are there. To ask for permission in a formal way, may I borrow the car tomorrow? Next is to give permission in a formal way. You may go now. Okay, we may use may not to refuse permission or to say that someone does not have permission, but it isn't formal and emphatic. You may not borrow the car until you can be more careful with it. Students may not wear jeans. Might. Again I say might is used when there is weak possibilities of something to be happened. Chances are very less. In those cases, might is used. We use might when we are not sure about something in the present or future. Means in may chances are less, but might the chances are very much weak. I might see you tomorrow. As the past tense of request with may, he asked if he might borrow the car. Now use may instead of might if you are likely to do something. I may go to the store later. Or you are talking about permission, you may watch TV after dinner. Next comes need. Now need is a semi-modal. Semi-modal verb because in some ways it is like a modal verb and in other ways like a main verb. Means we can use need as a main verb also. That's why it is known as semi-modal. Means we can use it in both the cases, as in modals also, in main verb also. We use need mostly in the negative form to indicate that there is no obligation or necessity to do something. You need not take off your shoes. Now, where to use? When there is no obligation, no compulsion, the semi-modal need is most common in the negative. We use it to show that there is no obligation. Cans of soup need not be kept in the fridge. The main verb need is followed by to when used with another verb. Means we should use to also with need when it is used with another verb. I need to have my hair cut. So we should keep a few points in our mind. First is use the modal verb as it is. Means we should not change its form and turn it into past, present or future forms. Do not add anything to it. You can't add s, ed or ing. Means suppose and, can, shall, should, will, they all should remain as it is. We can't do like this, I canning dance. We should like I can't or I can. Okay. Use the base form of the verb after a modal. When I am using a modal, the verb should be in its base form. Like Shuhana might join them. We can't use anything with the verb when we are using modals. Then If you need to use modals in the negative form, then use only not after the modal verb. Like, you should not eat too much. Means after the modal verb only the negative term should come. So it was all about the modals. I hope you will get a better understanding of modals through this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you are free to ask. So now let's see how much you have understood. It's time for you to now do the exercises. So you will have to complete the exercises in your copy. Here goes the questions.